Guys, luto tayo ng macaroni, guys. Salad with the chicken. I got this macaroni already boiled, guys. Fresh chicken, pineapple, cooked carrots, red onion, cheese, cream, and mayonnaise. And I put, guys, condensed milk, sweet condensed milk, nestle cream. Guys, lagyan natin ng mayonnaise. Tansya na guday. I just concentrate the mayonnaise myself. This one, guys, is sweet. Nakalahati lang, guys, kasi konti lang niluto ko. Sweet condensed milk. Nestle cream, guys. Not too much. Carrots, pineapple, and red onion. Lagay ko na lahat siya, guys. Chicken. Boiled chicken. Yan natin siya, guys, ng raisin. Ito na sinusukot ito, guys. A little bit salt. Yan siya, guys. Pepper. Tansya lang, guys. Yan. Tignan nyo, guys. See? Yan. Ganda ng kulay niya, guys, no? Lagyan pa natin ng condensed milk, guys. Konti pa. Yan siya. Ito, guys. Kasi. Sarap. With heavy cream. And then yan, no? Siya. Yes, okay. Yan. Okay, guys. Kakain na tayo mamaya-maya. Palamigin ko lang ito, guys. Siguro mga 1 hour sa frigidaire. And we eat later. Ito na, guys, yung salad, macaroni salad na ginawa natin. Ayan na siya, guys. Sarap siya, guys. Ano siya, guys? Sarap. Chicken salad, macaroni, chicken salad. I have this one also, guys. King crab. And I have catfish. Fried. Yung mukbang, guys. And got a collard green. Nandun ako, guys. This guy. Guys. King crab. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.